Beacon is one of our communities at Carvana. We're all about celebrating Black excellence. We're partnering with the local foundation here in Georgia called Youth Build. The program specializes in apprenticeships and helping young individuals learn the skills that they need to succeed outside within the workforce. We're actually donating a vehicle to a selected young individual who's been working very hard in the program.
It takes kids and it educates them on just exactly some of the things they can do to have a career.
When we was here, we was learning all type of facets. We was learning welding, carpentry, roofing, the whole nine.
When I say Sean came in from the gate knowing what he needed to do, and he stayed on task. He came in on time, he showed up and completed his classwork.
He's 18 years old. It's like talking to somebody who's been working for 20 years.
When Sean and I first talked about there would be a scholarship for a young person to earn a vehicle, he came to me and told me, "Miss Christie, I'm going to get that vehicle." But I said, you're gonna have to work hard. You're gonna have to stay focused.
And I just kept continuing what I was doing in the program. My dad has a great work ethic, and that's where I get it from.
He understands what it takes to achieve and get to where he wants to go. And that's really what most impressed me about Sean.
You got a lot of people in your ear telling you, it's on you. So that's what really stuck with me deeply. It's on you, not nobody else, it's on you. It's only just the beginning. This is just a stepping stool for me to further my career.
I really hope that Sean enjoys the car. He utilizes it to be an inspiration to those within his community and his friends and family.
I got an older sibling mindset. I'm trying to set the example. Get my siblings and the people around me to be like, oh man, he done did this. I can do the same thing.